Welcome to the project demonstration of vehicle detection based street light controlling with help of image processing and using Raspberry Pi 3 here. So here the total system worked on the TensorFlow mechanism like machine learning algorithm. So the Pi camera will capture the images and it will be processed by our Raspberry Pi 3 model, and whenever the vehicle is detected, the car detected based on the classification modules, so then automatically Raspberry Pi will take the decision to on this street lights through this transistor board. And also we are going to continuously display the message on the LCD screen. If the vehicle is detected, it will display the car detected, and if it is nothing, no object is detected, then it will display the normally monitoring. So here coming to this connections, so we interface the LCD module to 9, 10, 11, 17, 22, 27. There's a BCM numbering of our Raspberry Pi 3 model, and 18th pin is connected to this street light through this transistor. So the particular street light is powered by this transformer. So from this cable we are going to provide the 230 volts, and this transformer will step down the 230 volts to 12 volts of AC. And from this RPS regulated power supply board, we are going to provide the 12 volts of DC voltage through this transistor board to this street lights. So there is a rectification and filtration, and after that we'll get the 12 volts of DC power supply, and that was given as main power source to this street lights. And coming to this Raspberry Pi power source, from this adapter we are going to provide the 5 volts 2 amps regulated power supply with current of 2 amps. That is main power source to our Raspberry Pi. So when we switch on this power supply to this both sections, street lights and as well as Raspberry Pi, it start booting and it will display the welcome message on the LCD screen, and this particular street light will on and off 2 times. After that it's indicated as it's start processing the through image like Pi camera. So just initially I'm providing the power supply to this Raspberry Pi board, and next we need to provide the power supply to this. Once we provide the power supply to the Raspberry Pi, there is a light indication through the LCD and also RPS light once we provide the power supply to this one. And everything was done, so we can see the welcome message on the LCD screen along with this light will be on and off 2 times, and also we can see camera light is on, right? We can see that the camera light is on, and now it is monitoring on this LCD screen, right? And whenever we place the car in front of this camera, so it will take maximum of 2 seconds. So right now car is detected on the screen as well as the light will be the on, right? It should be visible more in the visible distance, and better to, for demonstration, better to place this camera on a box. And right, so whenever we remove the car and light will be off, and if the 2 cars are present, then also the light will be on mode, right? So it will be continuously on mode till we remove the vehicles from this. Right, okay, so it will take maximum of 2 seconds for the processing.